This is the artist's impression of the expansion and rehabilitation of the port. The main components are, we are going to construct a main breakwater to the east, that's this one. A lead breakwater, optimizing the existing breakwater, that's this one. We are going to dredge this area and the new one. And as part of the project, we are going to construct new facilities, which will consist of a fishing shed, a toilet block, and a day center. The old existing facilities are also going to be upgraded. And by this, we are talking about the administrative block, the fish markets, and the workshop. As part of tourism, we are going to restore the area in front of the castle by paving the area and also doing a general landscape.
As mentioned before, the breakwaters will include 2 quay walls. Together with the quay walls, a large basin will be created. This basin will be 3 to 5 meters deep, making sure larger vessels and fishing boats can easily turn and maneuver in the basin. This will create not only an easy way to moor and offload the fish, but also a safe way, as the waves and the current of the sea will be blocked. The vessels will be able to moor and offload here as well as here. There will be a passageway here to create an easy way to bring the fish on land. The works for the tourism will beautify and make an easier access to the entire area, improving tourism and fishing industry as a whole. Thank you very much.
How long is it going to take?
3 years. 3 years. 3 years.
3 years. 3 years.
3 years.
What one more? 3 years. Pushing them to food before they come. All right.
We're gathered here at Elmina to cut the sword for the construction of the Elmina Fishing Port project, which when completed will provide a big boost for the fishing industry in this famous city. The other 9 beneficiary towns are Moree, Mumford, Winneba, Senya Breku, Gomwa-Fete, and Elmina in the central region, Teshi and Jamestown in the Greater Accra region, and Ketaa in the Volta region. Already, work is progressing steadily at all the locations, with the sites at Axim, Discove, Senya Breku, and Gomwa-Fete scheduled to be completed by the end of the year. Once completed, Nananum, I appeal to you to help ensure that a prudent maintenance culture is adopted by management in the use of the fishing port. All of us must appreciate that the deterioration of infrastructure and other assets of state are an enormous drain on our national resources, and this port should not suffer the fate of other facilities with a poor maintenance culture.
2020, 4 years for Nana. 2020, 2020.